Nice putt. Good job. You don't need to putt beyond that. No.
So Brian got the second stripe. I think you need to get the first stripe. It's Cessna versus Archer today.
Ah, Larry, you did a great job, bro. Look at that. It's Cessna versus Archer, and Archer totally took it today. We got the first stripe.
Alex is going to do a little intro. He's going to get his voice ready.
Mike, contact Boston, approach 124.4.
The punch. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Alpha Kilo Warrior. What are we doing today? Well, let me grab this thing.
Track 690.
What is this?
Factor altitude.
It's a golf club.
I thought that was a teddy bear. I'm like, what are you pulling out?
We're going up to New Hampshire, play a little golf here. I'm with my pal Larry P. Larry here. He's going to show me how to hit a ball straight down the fairway because he's so good at golf, right, Larry?
We'll find out.
What's your handicap?
What's a handicap?
Oh,
That's
boy.
how good I am.
So come along for the ride. Just a quick little intro. We're coming into Parlin 2 Bravo tree. So hopefully we get some fall foliage coming up on Alpha Kilo Warrior. And smash the like button and subscribe. And check out my other socials, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that good stuff. Larry, you want to sponsor today's video?
Absolutely, Alex.
All right, so who's sponsoring it?
Video sponsored by Larry P. Larry.
What do you do?
So we're a software automation company. Our company is SavvySource, and we help companies eliminate back office inefficiencies, connecting software tools together.
So you're like an autopilot for humanity.
That's right.
All right, there you go. You heard it
But
first.
it's autopilot.
Check them out at savvysource.net. All right, you're 1100. Low.
Down. All right, go.
All right, your radio calls.
Parlin traffic, Archer 33121, overflying the field, left traffic.
Parlin traffic, Cessna 766, clear of all runways, Parlin.
Brian, I think you can pull almost in front of me, tail toward the north. I'll help you push back.
Roger, right in the grass.
It's hard enough to taxi on if you want.
The leaves look a lot better over here, brother.
Yeah.
Parlin traffic, Archer 33121 left, downwind 36 Parlin.
Orange traffic, jumpers away, 1,000 below, do not overfly. Orange, there are bodies in the sky.
All right, we're at 17, brother. So Brian got the second stripe. I think you need to get the first stripe. Manage your airspeed, bro. Let's do this.
Got the second stripe.
He got the second stripe, so we gotta. It's Cessna versus Archer today.
So it's displaced threshold though. You're talking about 3.6 first stripe, second stripe.
Correct.
So that's 1,000 that he landed at. Are they 500 each?
I think they're 75 each.
75. The actual stripe itself.
And then between the stripes is also the distance as well.
Alright, I'll get visual on it and then I'll know what I'm doing.
5 miles, 6 miles south, descending from 3,500, overflying the field for landing, Jaffrey. Team Memorial.
Parlin traffic, Archer 33121 left, base 36 Parlin.
Jaffrey traffic, 2 Sierra Victor, now 4 miles south, descending for pattern altitude. Bridge. Jaffrey, go ahead, 2 Sierra Victor.
North Atlas traffic, red white short is 8 miles north east, and we'll be crossing over.
Final's clear.
Downwind, runway 11 North Atlas.
Nobody on final.
That's Jaffrey radio, you're very garbled. Can you say again?
Parlin traffic, Archer 33121, final 36, Parlin.
Jaffrey, this is 2 Sierra Victor. How do you read me?
Okay, you're talking about those center line stripes.
Yeah.
No problem.
Alright, he's got full flaps in. All right, you did it, brother. Got that.
Larry, you did a great job, bro. Look at that. It's Cessna versus Archer, and Archer totally took it today. We got the first stripe. I'm there with the 2-stripe master, Brian. What's up, Bob? Bob Valley.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire. What are we doing today? We're playing some golf.
We're having fun.
Oh yeah, beautiful area, Bob. Yeah, so we fit the clubs in the back. We got clubs in that vehicle. We got our master pilot over here, Mr. Bob Valley, with his cool hat and his aviators. Hey. What's up, Mr. Bob Valley?
Welcome to New Hampshire.
Brian, nice landing, bro.
Live free or die.
Oh yeah. So we had a beautiful flight down there. It was beautiful, wasn't it? What happened with your transponder? We got a little transponder action.
Oh, it blanked out, reset it, back on again.
That was non-event, non-event. But yeah, it was a beautiful flight. So
you were like 2:30. Right on camera. It's like being on national TV.
you guys got stage fright?
We both did the same exact thing. Thank you.
Nice, Brian.
Yeah.
Brian.
Oh.
Whoa!
And that's on film.
That's the Cessna.
Team Cessna. I'm flying the Cessna from now on.
Get in there. Get in there. Come on, Larry.
Ooh.
All right, line.
Oh, let's go.